Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how to recover your deleted messages on Telegram. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so for example, you have to open your Telegram, and once you open your Telegram, for example, this is the message, and if I want to delete it, so it'll give me an option of undo, like as you can see, for the 5 seconds. So this is the first option, that's how you can recover it. And the second option is that you have to go to your file manager. So I'll go to my file manager, and after that I have to click on the all files and internet storage, and then I have to look for Telegram here, and this is my Telegram. And for example, if I lost any message or something, so these are my Telegram documents, so I can easily recover my photos, images, videos and messages. So if you have this file, so what you have to do, you have to go to the Chrome and you have to contact Telegram support, and after that you have to give them this file, so the message will be automatically recovered to Telegram. So that's how you can do it. This is the only way. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. Thank you.